Ever tried crispy chicken that crunches like a chip and explodes with spicy Korean flavor? Let's make it happen. 500 g chicken wings or boneless thighs, salt and black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a cup cornstarch, half a cup flour, 1 egg, oil for deep frying, 2 tablespoons gochujang, Korean chili paste, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Season your chicken with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix egg, flour, and cornstarch until you get a thick coating batter. Heat oil to 180 degrees Celsius. Deep fry the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes until golden. Let it rest. Then fry again for ultimate crisp. In a pan, mix gochujang, ketchup, soy sauce, honey, sugar, garlic, and sesame oil. Simmer for 2 minutes until it's thick and sticky. Toss the hot, double-fried chicken straight into this fiery glaze. Make sure every piece is coated. Top with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. It's crispy, spicy, and finger-licking good. This is Korean fried chicken done right. Try it today and thank me later. Like and subscribe for more amazing recipes.